Stop wasting time and energy on endless to-do lists. In today's video, we're going to discover the three templates that will help you to skyrocket your productivity. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you examples of each of these templates. Let's start number one with the daily planner template. Now, this is a template that you can use in your business, in your home. The key features that I definitely love about a daily planner template is that it gives you that time blocking section. You get to prioritize and you get to have a space for reminders and notes as well. What helps me to use a daily planner template every day? It helps me to strategize my whole day so I can have a structure, helps me to keep my focus on priority tasks, and also it helps me to have a visual schedule in front of my face where I know what I'm supposed to do on a daily basis. Okay. Now, the weekly review template, this is something that I use on Sunday. So every Sunday, I have a template that I use in my business, especially where I want to review what I've done for the week and what I need to plan for the next week. It definitely helps me with my accomplishments. So I'll know, okay, what have I accomplished this week? And it also helps you that time where you can sit down and figure out, okay, yes, I had a win this week, and you can celebrate yourself too. And you can also look at your habits. So I look at what I spend the most time on, what I shouldn't spend the most time on. You know, if you're in business, you got to have those money generated activities, making sure that I have those so that I can really, really focus the next week and what I need to do more of. Okay. And the last one is a project management template. Now, I have this amazing template in my Trello board, but of course, like I said, if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you an example of an actual template that you can have in your business and in your home too. And what I love about especially project management tools, as a digital publisher, I manage many different projects, not just the overall of my business, but I also manage my book projects. And then I have some clients that I work with one-on-one as well, and I help them to manage their projects too. So having a template, something that I can go by with each product, or each project, definitely makes it so much easy for me to navigate. Okay, so let me show you an example of each template that I mentioned in today's video. So let's start with the daily planner. Okay, so the daily planner template that I mentioned here. Now, this is one that I created. I created this one right here in Canva, using a template bundle that I have. So I have a bundle that has over 7,500 templates, planners, journals that you can use for your business. You can use them to sell them. It's all sorts of things that you can do with that. I do have a video in the description if you are, interested in those templates, so you'll know how to use them, and then you can see how you can make money from them. But here's what I was talking about with the daily template. You have top priorities, any appointments that I have. If you're like me, I'm also a mom, so their kids have to go to the dentist, they got to go to the doctor, so you have to make sure I write those down. I pair this along with my Google Calendar, so I have to write it down, and actually have to have it electronically on my Google Calendar as well. That helps me to really seamlessly run my entire life. Okay. So I love Google Calendar too, because even when the kids have appointments and things, I can tag my husband in it and he knows it and it's on his calendar, just so we know. So I manage my life and business where I have a whole to-do list, and I note down some things that I may need to do tomorrow, or something that I supposed to do today and I couldn't get to it. I can get it to the next day. Okay. What's great about this template that I created, and I actually created this for stay-at-home moms that are in business, and I included the planner, and then I included a home to-do list. I also included a business to-do list, because you manage your home and business, and then I just go through the planner. So I created this again right through the templates that I have in my bundle, and I make it look nice, and then I'm able to sell this. Okay, so I'm able to sell this and plus use it for myself. All right, so here's the weekly reflection template right here. I got this one also in the bundle as well. I'm gonna make it just a little bit bigger You can, what I love about Canva is that you can duplicate the pages. You can get this printed. Canva even has a way where you can print right through Canva. You don't have to go to third party sources. But if you want to sell this, make it your own, spruce it up, change the coloring. You might want to add some pages to, especially an about page like I have here. So I have a cover page, then I have a what we call this the about page. Okay, so people can learn about me, and then I have the rest of it is just a template. I don't think I have one in the back too. Let me check. I think I just have it all as a plan. And I have some notes at the back too, and self-care intentions, all those good things. But those are just a few pages you definitely want to add to any planner or journal that you create. Okay, so this template is also in the bundle as well. And then the last one I talked about the project management. Now I use Trello. Okay, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the back end of my Trello. This is my Trello board that I use for business. Now this is just business. So I have one separate for home, but this is all business. And so as you can see, it may look like a lot. It's not a lot. So I have what I do on a daily basis. I also have what I do on a weekly basis. And this serves as like a checklist because there in my business as a digital publisher, there are things that I have to do every day to move the needle in my business. There are some things that I need to do every week. And this also helps me to manage my projects. And I also use this too to manage my passwords in my business, any affiliate companies that I'm working for. All of that information is in here. But if you're not a Trello person, I also have this template inside of the bundle as well. You can create your own project management planner. And what's great about this too is that you can have this written down. If you manage other people's projects, you can use this, and then you can use this for your own as well. Okay, so those are the templates that I wanted to share with you guys. Is really going to make your business and your life and get you to be more productive and to be more on top of things. I know it's sometimes a lot going on, but you can do this as long as you have a plan in place. You can definitely see a breakthrough in your business and even your home. So again, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you like this type of content where I'm talking a lot about how to create multiple streams of income in digital publishing, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you would like to work with me a little bit more closely, I do have a free workshop that you can attend. It's called the Journal and Planner Design Workshop. This is where I'm giving you an introductory to journal and planner designs for profit. I do create journals and planners, and I want to teach you how to tap into that industry as well so that you can maximize your income. It's absolutely for free. It's not a like an ongoing workshop. What I mean is it's live, so you're going to be able to meet me live and in person, and I want to meet you as well. You just go to sharlritadeloatch.com/workshop. I also have the link in my description. But if you are ready to jumpstart your low content book creation, you're like, okay, I'm ready to go. I really want to go ahead and download the 7,500 journal and planner templates that I have. You grab those. You can also get access to a Telegram community I have as well. Once you get access, so if you have questions, need some design help, that's what that community is for. Okay, so just go to sharlritadeloatch.com/7500 templates. All right, so until the next time, I see you guys in the next video. Bye.